In just minutes, Miami's sunny streets disappeared beneath rising floodwaters. What started as an ordinary day quickly turned into chaos across Miami-Dade County. Cars sank halfway into the water, storefronts were submerged, and stunned residents watched helplessly as the city they knew slipped underwater. In early September 2025, Miami-Dade County was hit by one of the heaviest rainfalls in recent years. The National Weather Service issued a flood advisory, warning residents of dangerous conditions. In some areas, more than 120 millimeters of rain fell in just a few hours, overwhelming drainage systems and transforming roads into rivers.
People are under flood watches and warnings, according to the National Weather Service. Rainfall rates range from 1 to 2 inches along the I-95 urban corridor from Fort Lauderdale through Miami and Homestead.
Main roads were shut down as fast-moving water trapped drivers. Some vehicles were abandoned as engines stalled, while others were swept several feet down flooded avenues. Public transportation came to a standstill. Bus routes canceled, sections of the metro closed. Even businesses weren't spared. In downtown districts, shop windows stood half underwater. People waded through waist-deep currents, trying to reach higher ground.
You got it! One more time!
Across Miami, power outages darkened entire neighborhoods. Transformers sparked and failed as floodwaters rose. Restaurants, convenience stores, and small businesses reported thousands of dollars in damages. Beyond the city center, farmland on the county's outskirts took a beating. Crops sat submerged under muddy water, raising concerns for local food supply chains. Early estimates already placed the economic losses in the millions of dollars. Emergency services were flooded with calls. Miami-Dade Fire Rescue deployed boats and high-water vehicles to reach stranded families. Police cordoned off low-lying neighborhoods, urging residents to leave before conditions worsened. Scenes of rescue played out across the city, families carried to safety, some holding their pets above the water. Volunteers handed out bottled water and blankets in temporary shelters set up at schools and community centers.
These cars are abandoned. It looks like the people had to get out of their trunk right there. This is some real Florida shit right here. Excuse my language.
For residents, the emotional toll was just as heavy as the physical damage. One mother, holding her child close, told reporters, "I wasn't afraid of the rain. I was afraid of losing my kids." Yet amid the fear, acts of solidarity stood out. Neighbors helped each other bail out homes, share food, and check in on the elderly. In a city often known for its nightlife and beaches, Miami was now showing resilience and unity in the face of disaster. The Miami floods are more than a local emergency. They're a stark reminder of how climate extremes are reshaping our cities. Even a global hub with advanced infrastructure can be brought to a halt by just a few hours of relentless rain. But the bigger question remains: are our cities truly prepared for what's coming? What would you do if floodwaters suddenly surrounded your home? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want clear, fact-based reports on the world's most extreme weather, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Together, we can stay informed and stay safe.